Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno4 Pro 5G, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, let's hold power key, and from here you want to slide down to power off, wait till the device shuts off, and once it has, you want to then hold power key and volume down. Both of the keys at the same time, and soon after you should see recovery mode. No, there we go. Now as you've seen, it automatically progressed further due to the power key press, but you can go back, and from here you all need to do is select your language and then tap on wipe data, and it will give you some kind of randomly generated number that you need to insert here. This will only appear if you don't have any kind of other protection on your device. If you do, it will either tell you to put in your PIN, pattern, password, whatever it is, you will need to confirm it here. But I do not have any of that, so just generate some kind of random number that I need to copy from here, basically type it in. Now as you can see, it's right now 9504. If I go back and tap on it again, now it's 1414. So it gets changed every time you tap on the option. So once you put in your code or the PIN that basically was displayed here, you will have two options. So you have wipe data and format data. Now I recommend you to go for the format data, because wipe data isn't really wiping any data. It's still retaining contacts, messages and photos, which defeats the purpose of wiping if it's not wiping anything. So let's go for format data, and all user data will be erased. It's a message that will give you, so format data, and it will begin. Now I will mention before you actually begin that this will remove all your data, so that includes your photos, videos, any kind of media, and anything that you have downloaded will be gone. And if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, well, then the process is basically finished. There we go. And well, after it finishes and you tap on OK, it then goes through reboot, and it will continue the process in the background. So this will take a couple minutes and it will look like it's stuck, but after it's finished, it's just gonna show you the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished. You can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.